You want to make YouTube videos but can't find good video editors, scriptwriters, or voiceover artists? You can try Pictory for free using my link in the description and follow along. Let's begin by looking at the Pictory tools and features. First and foremost, I want to mention that when you log in, they have helpful guides with videos that show you how to do everything that you need to do, which is extremely helpful. And here are some examples of content that can be repurposed into short videos. Article to video, script to video, visual to video, edit videos with voice using text are all options. Copy and paste the URL into the tool. When you arrive at the source article on the left side, you can see the AI chooses relevant content highlighted in green. If you want to choose something, we click it and it will highlight it and insert it into our AI-powered key message script. The next Pictory tool is a video script. If you already have a script, copy and paste it here. Beyond that, it'll be the same process, which is why I showed the article to video, because script to video allows you to skip the article process if you have your script. Video visuals, it's pretty cool to add visuals to the video now. We need to upload some images and AI will create a video for us. If you already have your visuals, this is a very useful feature. Edit videos with voice using text. The final Pictory function is edit videos with voice using text. So I'll walk you through how to use the features quickly. Typically, you will want to drag and drop a file into this box or browse to your computer and insert a video. Even better, you can make a social video post right in Hootsuite and then publish it to your social media accounts. Brand settings. I want to show you the brand settings feature before we go. It enables you to upload your logo and enter your brand name like other video producers like Wave Video. You can customize specific aspects of your videos and choose where your logo appears on each one to save time while still branding the content for social media. However, you can try Pictory for free using my link in the description.